Hello guys, it is a nice muggy Friday afternoon and I want to show you guys our newest listing coming up. This is a historical home renovation. Still got a few little things left to do on it, but let's walk through before it goes live on the market. New signs, by the way. So this is located in the Southwood neighborhood of Riverside Terrace. It's a 2,300 square foot house, completely renovated, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and it has an unfinished garage apartment, which you could rent or Airbnb or do whatever you want, but this is super cool. It's got the gas lanterns outside, big front porch. Rachel Paxton, who's on my team, has been working on this house for a few months, so let's see what Rachel has to say about the house. Is this your presentation outfit?
Yes. This is my professional attire.
Professional attire. All right.
Nike for the win.
Absolutely. So walk us through. Hold on, I'm going to tag you. All right, you're tagged. So tell us how long you've had it. What all did you have to do? It looks very nice.
This is my foyer.
How old is it?
It is from 1933.
Oh.
You can do the math.
I cannot actually do math. I'm bad.
Let's just say 90.
This is the original phone nook. Kind of has a Indian theme. Yeah, it reminds me of the Taj Mahal.
It's an arabesque.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so this is original paneling.
This paneling was added in the 50s.
Okay, so original to the 50s.
We kept it.
It's still old.
Living room.
This is really cool.
This is the original fireplace, but we added the marble.
Nice. I like the lights.
Thank you. Online.
Are these original? Built-ins?
Yes, these built-ins are original.
Very cool. And the floors are original too?
The floors are original. When we did this room, I bought salvaged wood and we put it in, and then we sanded it all and we stained it so that it all looked original.
Yeah, you cannot tell. Oh, this was the room you had to completely rebuild, right?
The one that was a porch, yeah.
Ah, okay.
I had like a 3-foot slant.
Very cool ceiling fan. All right, this is a full bedroom down here.
Full bed and a full bath.
Very cool. Big shower. So this is ADA compliant if you have an older parent, maybe.
And this is the big closet for pine trees.
This is really cool tile, all new.
And a curbless shower.
Oh, you can roll right in.
Ooh, it's the new thing.
This is good for after
Everybody's
leg
gonna
day.
want that.
Tell us about the windows. Are these from Home Depot or Lowe's?
The windows are originals to the house. I pulled every single one of them out by hand and pulled out every single piece of glass and scraped all of the wood completely down to bare wood and then redid all of them.
Ouch. And that took you what, like a day?
A month.
A month?
And we re-roped and re-weighted all of them so they
Can you demonstrate what that means when you say re-rope?
We re-roped and re-weighted them so they're on ropes.
Oh,
Here,
okay.
and the ropes are attached to a weight inside the wall, and then they effortlessly go down
Oh, they both go down.
and up.
Oh, that is really cool.
Yep.
So they're not, so these are double hung, right?
Yes, it's double hung.
Very
And then
cool.
they lock and seal.
Nice.
Thank you.
What's back here?
You know, the dining area.
It's huge.
This hutch was from another house. They ripped the house down, but I saved the hutch, and I had them build it into this house.
Really? That's pretty nice. So that's,
And painted it.
yeah, it looks like it's probably from the 20s or 30s as well.
Yep. There's even a silverware divider, you guys. They were way ahead of their time.
Oh, nice. Was this from Riverside House, or you know where it came from?
No.
It looks like it may be Heights. It's kind of Craftsman in style
Probably.
with the window lights.
Probably.
So this is a big space. Opens to the living room in the front.
This is
Very
my favorite
bright.
light
This is your favorite light?
from Serena and Lily. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
I don't know if I'm supposed to know what that is.
Serena and Lily? Oh my gosh.
No idea.
It's an online place, and they
Oh.
design beautiful ones.
So this is a cool place for like your coffee bar,
This is
right?
all built in. This is new.
I like it. I like the
And these
inset.
are for all your cans and such.
Ah. Cool.
And then everything else goes up here. All your wine.
Oh, what's this? This looks neat.
This is for a bench that I have yet to buy.
Okay, but is that the original little
This
built-in?
was a bathroom.
Okay.
Right here. So this is for your toilet paper, but now it's for your tablet.
It's for a lot of toilet paper.
And there's 2 plugs here in case you need to charge your tablet while chilling over here.
Very cool. There's the entry. Is the door original?
You want to go this way? The door's not original. It came from the same place as that hutch.
Oh, this is really cool. I like that the tile backsplash goes all the way up. It's got a nice glaze to it. It's got a small cooktop.
Small? 6 burners.
This is
1 for
awesome.
burgers.
Oh, it's got a grill
And there's a
built
window
in.
here so that you can see your blooming bird of paradise back there.
The window actually looks in the laundry room, which has windows to the backyard, so that's
That's
pretty
right.
cool. What's this random thing over here?
That's a pot filler.
Aha, explain what a pot filler is. I'm surprised most people don't know what that's
Oh,
for.
it's because it's so hard to go all the way from here to here with your pot full of water.
It is.
So you can just put the pot here and then fill it here.
So that's a sink,
This
basically,
is
a faucet.
first world country, and
It's a faucet.
we have to have those here.
And you've got double ovens for Thanksgiving. Again,
Right.
first world problems. This is really cool. Big laundry room mud area. I see
Laundry
something
room.
cool here that I'd like for you to explain what this is.
This sink is from Mexico City Flea Market.
Can you put your hand inside the sink so we can get a comparison for size? It's the smallest sink in the world. That is tiny. So you brought that from Mexico City.
I bought it in Mexico City at a flea market, and we drug it all the way home in a suitcase.
That would be something
And
Rachel
I
does.
used it. Darn it, I used it.
Rachel's husband was not very happy bringing that sink back. I don't blame him.
Right there, right there.
Oh, that's so cool. I buy those for Katie whenever they're at the store.
They're beautiful.
They're really
And you have a
beautiful.
view of them forever, unless it's steamy outside.
We'll look at the yard in a second. This is neat.
This is the Dutch door. It's
Can you demonstrate? This is really good if you have
it's like
dogs.
a drive-through.
Drive-through.
Fries?
Awesome. That's cool. You don't see that often. There's the window looking to the kitchen.
And the ironing board is here.
Oh, let's go back and see that. Is that still there?
There's not actually an ironing board in it. I gotta make it. But this is for your ironing board.
Oh, it's built
So it
in.
just folds out, and it saves you a lot of space in your laundry room.
That is cool. It's a huge laundry room.
You can put little cabinets and drawers there for all the kitties.
You can put your dog crates there if you have 9,000 dogs.
Yeah.
This is very nice. It's very bright. There's a deck. We'll look at the backyard in a second. I like this light fixture. That's cool.
That's from Ballard Designs. You need to get to know your online merchants, Besso.
I just look at Rejuvenation where everything costs $8,000.
Yeah, it's a good alternative.
Well, I like this wall over here.
This is shiplap, original to the house. We painted it white.
Very nice.
And this is the kids' bedroom. Also with a shiplap wall that we painted
Ooh.
white.
Looks very cool. I do like this.
Do you want to get in?
I don't think I'll fit, but our dogs will like it.
Expands.
I do want to point out, can you open this window? I want to show people the roof. So
Oh, yeah.
this is a new roof. However, look at the style, the diamond shingle. This is what houses in the 20s and 30s
Super
had. Obviously made out of a different material. It was actually made out of asbestos back in the day.
I
But
promise
now
this is not asbestos.
this is not asbestos. This is the same roof you would have on a regular house, but now it's made to match the shape of older roofs, which is really cool when you're restoring homes. So you got a big bathroom here. It's kind of a Empire State Building
That's original.
shower
The
tub.
shape is original.
It's very,
The house.
very majestic. And then this is one of my favorite rooms because it's a corner room. You've got lots of windows, hardwood floors.
And we did it built in the closet.
Little sneak peek of the backyard. So you got a 2-car garage. There's a unfinished garage apartment. So you can do that later. And all the bedrooms have closets. That's actually a huge closet for an old house. I don't know if people in the 30s maybe just had one outfit that they would wear.
4.
4 outfits. Got it. Okay, so now we're in the
These are
master.
the original built-ins here.
Those are pretty big. And there's
And
more
that's
built-ins.
original.
That's
So,
pretty cool to have in the master.
originally, the house had the hallway here, and this was 2 bedrooms. There was a wall here, and so a lot of rearranging happened, and we just wove in all the floors to make it look like it didn't happen.
Yeah, you cannot tell at all. And this is a huge master. You've got a king-size bed in here, and there's still plenty of room. A lot of light.
There is a plug back here for a TV, although I'm a huge advocate for no TVs in the house.
In the house?
In the house.
At all?
At all.
Where did the TV go? Outside?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
The
Okay.
TV goes to the sports bar.
So, new master bathroom. This is really nice. I like all the definition in the countertops. We've got a big cabinet for cosmetics. Shower.
This
nice
was a closet.
tile. This was a closet?
This was the closet for this bedroom.
Oh.
And
I
this
like
was the
the.
closet for the other bedroom.
I do remember that.
This
So
is
you
the
do.
closet in that room. So we switched the doorway.
Turn this around.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's got a walk-in closet for the master. This is really big. Again, this is 2,300 square feet.
But it
Feels
like,
a lot bigger.
It feels bigger
Yeah.
when you do it right.
All the light fixtures match in style and finish. I think your dad really likes this house. He's commenting right now. I think you may have a buyer. Ooh, that's nice.
Great.
All right, let's check out the backyard
Better
because
shoes
it
on.
is cool. Oh, my shoes are outside. How long did this renovation take?
Too long.
Too long. Don't they all?
9 months.
9 months. Okay. I have to get my shoes on because you cannot walk with muddy, rainy shoes on these nice floors.
Coming back here.
All right, so we've got a big deck. There's the Dutch door going to the laundry room.
Big patio.
This is really cool. That's a huge backyard, side yard.
You put a pool here.
Rachel missed the joke. This is not included in the
Don't
sale.
show them that.
This is already sold.
Trash pile. Don't show them that.
This is awesome. So you've got a deck on the back of the house,
Outdoor living areas.
and then you've got lots of grass for the dogs.
Hangout area.
This is really cool. I like the light fixture. It's a huge space. And then you've got a 2-car garage.
Yep.
Can we look at the apartment?
Yep. Watch your head.
Uh-oh.
This little corner kind of gets people.
You could buy this lot if you hurry and have a huge backyard.
You have 4 days to buy this.
You got 4 days. Don't say you were not made aware. Wow, this is so cool. This reminds me of when I was little in Bulgaria, where we'd go to these ski cabins, and they had these slanted roofs just like this. So this could easily be a 1-bedroom, full-size apartment, kitchen, bathroom, closet. Lots of room in here.
Yep.
How much do you estimate it would take to finish this off?
Oh, probably 15.
15?
15,000.
Wow, that's a really good deal, guys. This would make a great income producing property that you could have while you live in the awesome house in the front. So this is a cool
And it's
opportunity.
already wired. All you have to do is plumbing and
Oh, the wiring is here, you're right.
yeah. We splurged
Where's the plumbing connections routed to now?
right down here.
Right
It's
here?
It's in the garage. So
Okay.
You just drop down, connect to plumbing.
Very cool. All right, guys. Well, like I said, so this will go on the market
Tonight.
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 And isn't there a big open house party
There
you're
is
hosting?
an open house party. It's for neighbors and friends. So I guess that's you.
Yeah, if they're watching
On
their friends.
October 6th from 6 to 9. And we'll have barbecue catered by a neighbor. And also music provided by a neighbor.
Who's the
Everything
neighbor?
is local. My husband, Jeff Paxton.
Gotta love
And-
Jeff. All right, guys. We'll post the link tomorrow morning so you guys can check out the pictures, which turned out great. But awesome house. How much?
$525.
$525, and you are
$525.
2 miles from Hermann Park Medical
beach.
Center. So this really is a steal. I don't think it'll last long on the market at all. All right, guys, we're out. See you later.